Cathie Wood just bought $32 million Nvidia shares despite a 50% decline in the stock value from November to September 15. Nvidia supplies 90% of AI data centers globally and holds the highest GPU market margin. Thus, ARK Invest could use the predicted future magic of the semiconductor company to resurrect its hedge fund asset total. In this video, we will highlight Cathie Wood's choice of the most powerful chipset company and whether it is a buy or sell. On September 15, 2022, the world received an announcement from Nvidia. The company woke up to a new federal government license filing requirement covering any export of Nvidia's A100 and upcoming H100 products to China, including Hong Kong and Russia. The news followed with an immediate 5% stock price decline, as investors were aware of the semiconductor stock's bonds with those countries. Nvidia competitor Advanced Micro Devices also faced the same fate as investors took the discouraging news as a sign of reduced profit for the quarter. The company said that it was speaking to customers in China to replace their orders while they work on registering their license for the A100 and H100 semiconductors. China is Nvidia's largest consumer, and the government's trade sanctions will devastate the company's accounts. While this affected Nvidia's stock, Cathie Wood saw the reduced prices as a discounted sale. That same Thursday, ARK Invest sold 115,000 shares of Tesla and bought 226,000 shares of Nvidia stock, amounting to $32 million. Coincidentally, no one seems to be buying Nvidia products as much, especially cryptocurrency fans who have migrated to proof-of-stake systems. Later, we will tell you the company's struggles in recent times before this government ban. Currently, the ARK Innovation ETF and other flagship funds at ARK Investment hold $347 billion in Nvidia stock. This amount makes it the 24th largest holding in the $16 billion fund. While this shows confidence in the Nvidia stocks, the company has had a pretty bad year like the hedge fund. It has lost 50% of its historic 2021 earnings, while the S&P 500 has lost an average of 16% to date. Although the technology sector index of Nasdaq 100 is experiencing a 34% decline. In fact, plenty of tech companies have suffered significant price declines throughout the year due to high inflation, the Russian invasion of Ukraine, and an imbalance between the unemployment and job openings left behind by COVID-19. To begin, supply shortage due to supply chain bottlenecks prevented the company from manufacturing enough to serve the market, causing many companies, especially automobile partners, to halt production. The announcement further slowed sales and might continue to wreck the company's fortunes for the remainder of the year. Of course, cryptocurrency's massive environmental sustainability changes are also crippling Nvidia. The major blockchains like Ethereum and Solana use proof-of-history and proof-of-stake systems instead of the proof-of-work system that demands GPUs. Ethereum's merge, which happened in September, has made Nvidia GPUs that cost $1,000 lose half of their value. Many Ethereum users are looking for ways to sell off their chips. To add, Nvidia launched new GPUs on September 20 with a 7% price hike, which fans rejected immediately. The global PC market is also not at its finest right now. The pandemic, which got people to buy more home equipment, making Nvidia stocks soar late last year, is over. Despite these trials, experts call Nvidia a bargain and are not asking anyone to sell. They say that if you think long-term, hold your shares in Nvidia. The GPU and PC sales are low, but experts in AI think this is not the end. Later, we will share predictions from trusted sources on the future of Nvidia stocks. However, in spite of Nvidia's absence in the list of best stocks to buy now, it is not a fruitless investment. As the company is a leader in the GPU industry, its chipsets are considered the best on the market. In addition, 90% of global artificial intelligence data centers rely on their products. That safety window alone makes Nvidia a low-risk growth stock, as AI is expected to grow by 38% in the next decade. That alone provides an exciting growth prospect along the market share that Nvidia enjoys. Of course, the legislation affects the company, but nothing stops it from establishing a company in China to serve its customers. We will follow the story and present the needed updates should you subscribe. If you were wondering, I should buy ARK Invest, here is an answer for you. ARK Invest has made a big gamble on Nvidia, and whatever they make, you will also make on your investment with them. According to the algorithm-based forecast service, Wallet Investor, the semiconductor company's fortunes could turn around to $169.935 by 2022 end. We should expect $230.625 by the end of 2023 and $353.751 for 2025. Wallet Investor estimates Nvidia shares to hit $442.713 by September 2027. Coin Price Forest indicated a less bullish view, with $173 for the 2022 end. The price will climb to $353 and $456 in 2025 and 2027, respectively. This is not the only time ARK Invest has been in the news for a disruptive buy. The Cathie Wood Bitcoin dip purchase comes to mind. Some of these brave choices have caused the hedge fund to depreciate and left lessons for all investors. Here are the basic takeaways from Cathie Wood ARK ETF crushing.